Assalamu alaikum viewer. I hope all of you are doing well. Welcome to my channel Sociology 3 in 1. And today's lecture we will discuss about the concept of enculturation. So let's start. Enculturation is the process by which people learn the dynamics of their surrounding culture and acquire values and norms appropriate or necessary to that culture and its worldviews. As part of this process, the influences that limit, direct, or shape the individuals, whether deliberately or not, include parents, other adults, and peer groups. If successful enculturation results in competence in the language, values, and rituals of the culture of a given society. Growing up, everyone goes through their own version of the process of enculturation. Enculturation helps form an individual an acceptable citizen. Culture impacts everything that an individual does regardless of whether they know about it or not. Enculturation is a deep-rooted process that binds together individuals together. Indeed, even as a culture changes, central convictions, values, perspectives, and youngster raising practices are very similar in nature. The process of enculturation, most commonly discussed in the field of anthropology, is closely related to socialization, a concept central to the field of sociology. Both roughly describe the adaptation of an individual into social groups by observing the ideas, beliefs, and practices surrounding them. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, share, and comment on video. Thanks once again.